Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, a big welcome. Well, today's video is about Jamaican Patois. I'm here to share with you our Creole. Of course, we speak the Queen's English language, but of course, I don't know what I have to talk about things. I have to say what's a go on, yeah man, everything airy, everything crisp, everything good. What you're deaf on? Alright people, welcome back. Please pay attention because class start and class is now in session. So our first word or our first slang or phrase is what a guan. If you're in Jamaica or if you're around any Jamaicans and you hear them say what a guan, it simply means that how are you? How are you doing? How is it going? Hey, what's up? That's basically what it is. Alright, the next one is a me fi tell you. So if you're talking to somebody and they say a me fi tell you, it simply means that they are in agreement with you. Whatever you said, it's right. They're yes so nice, that means hey, right, yes so nice on the Patwa corner, yeah, yes so nice. It simply means that whoever said that yes so nice means that they're having a great time, whether it's by themselves or with somebody, or they're having a great vibe, you know, like me right now. Yes so nice because I'm having a great time explaining all these Patwa slangs to you guys. Yes so nice. But dip on the ends simply means that I'm chilling, I'm home, or I'm by a friend, or wherever I am, I'm just chilling, you know. Me a forward. It simply means I'm coming by you, or if you call me, I am coming, I am on my drop out. It simply means that somebody's dead, somebody died. Like, yo, you know, some Mr. Man drop off of the Instag. Alright, the next one is Yambella. Man clown. It simply means a female who is strongly infatuated with a man who doesn't feel the same way, doesn't have the same feeling, like she's over the top for this guy. And this guy, he's not really interested. He's just getting what he wants, taking what he wants, and then this other one comes right in time after man clown or Yambella. Yeah, idiot. It simply means, are you an idiot? Another one is cruff. Means that this person has no potential, no goals, no priorities, no ambition, no nothing. They're just there. It's basically like the word scrub. You remember that song, that TLC song some years ago? No, I don't want a scrub. A scrub is a guy can't get no love from. Another one is cut eye. Cut your eye. So this is used when someone is very irritating, annoying, or strongly disliked. So where are you coming from? Why are you looking at me? So you actually roll your eyes and then close them or cut them. That's what we say. Remember, this is used on someone when they're annoying, irritating, or you strongly dislike them. Don't go around cutting your eyes at people. It's not nice. It's not a nice feeling, okay?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.